You know, one of the questions that upper cervical doctors get asked the most is, if this is so amazing, why haven't I heard of this before? And it's a great question, and there are a bunch of different answers to that question, and some are a bit more complex than others.
The public today has been so inundated with intervention that they're not even looking for non-interference. They do not realize that it exists. They don't know that that's a choice. They don't know if they can find the underlying problem that's causing whatever condition they have.
The overpowering effect of constant advertising is what brainwashes literally people into, oh, I have a headache, I'll take 3 Tylenol or whatever.
And add that to the fact that they're over-marketed too. I mean, you know, it's just a
well, the average 18-year-old has seen over 20,000 hours of drug commercials.
Please don't get me wrong, there are life-saving drugs out there. There are drugs that can save somebody's life, but if you look at the degree of advertising with medications on TV alone, you know, we're not being told to look at the body to help balance it. We're being told to take another pill, which has side effects.
This information's out there, but there are people that don't want you to know about it. There are people that want this to be kept secret. There are people that denigrate chiropractic in general.
That's the biggest thing we have to overcome, is the lack of education or ignorance of the work that we do. But it can happen.
It will happen.
I want there to be an upper cervical doctor on every block. And if the awareness is raised in the public about upper cervical, more chiropractors will choose to do upper cervical.
Right now in the United States, out of all the chiropractic schools, there's probably only 4 that are actually teaching the upper cervical work.
What saddens me is how many people out there have problems where they're told it's all in their head, or they're told that there's no answer for you. And that has got to change. And I'm hoping that this upper cervical movement will get so strong that people will realize that the wisdom that made this body to fix itself.
There's a better message, there's a better paradigm, and upper cervical will be on the map soon.